Now for this part, I'm using my yarn needle again to close the top of the pumpkin. And we're doing this the exact same way as the bottom by working into the front loop of every other stitch, and we're working from the inside out. It is literally the exact same. I'm not going to pull it closed until the next part, so if you want to do this part on your own and then come back to the next part, or if you want to watch it, I do find it satisfying. I did speed it up again, so it's not going to be at real time, but I don't know what else to say at the moment. So I'll just see you in the next part. If you want to keep watching it, feel free.